Hello from Wandering Wanda. I'm Ariel. Today we are for the very first time because I saw an episode of Ramblin Hamblins. I'll put a link below. He did a replace an Airstream rivet in under 1 minute. So because of his vlog, it actually inspired me to do this. I actually bought this from the Airstream Life store. It's a rivet kit and I've never used it. So according to his video, you need a 1/8 drill bit to get the ones that are stuck inside. So for example, for this particular one, the rivet will go right through. And this one, the rivet is still stuck in there. So you need to drill it out. Now I did label these. They come in small, medium, and large. The one according to the instructions is the small one that's for the interior. I've never done this. Don't know what I'm doing as usual. So according to this, you need to squeeze it to put it in and tighten it. Ooh. Okay, now this goes in like that, and we squeeze this handle. Ooh, that was it. Wow, my first rivet. Like this one. See how it's not connected anymore? We're gonna have to pull that out. Actually, I have several of those. There's another one over here that's just popping out. Oh, and there's another missing one. Oh my God. Oh, another one missing. Oh dear Lord. I didn't quite realize there were so many. I might run out of little ones. Oh dear. Also, I've taken this in countless of times to Airstream, and for some odd reason they keep forgetting to do the rivets. There was one rivet here that first year that we had the Airstream popped out, and they've never put it in. And I keep telling them about it, which is right there. So we'll get all these rivets in today. Today's project, just doing rivets. I thought it was only this one, but there is another one here. And I didn't quite realize the one over here on the bottom is also missing.